I bought these gorgeous ribeye steaks, so today we're going to throw them on the grill. A pack of 2 of these really thick cut steaks are going to last us 2 nights. I have a family of 3. The first night we're just going to eat the steak with some sides, and the second night I heat up some leftovers in a pan for some tacos. I don't always season with olive oil, but I did tonight, and I used up a bunch of barbecue seasonings, about a tablespoon total for both steaks. It is so important to let your steak rest at room temp for about half an hour. You don't want to put them on the grill cold. These steaks are too beautiful to ruin, so I put in a Bluetooth thermometer, which will let me know what temp it is as they're cooking. I only had 15 minutes to prep the rest of dinner. Growing up, my grandma and I used to always make a fresh salad to start the meal, so these days I do that too. For a crunchy bite, I made some homemade croutons. These got crispy in the air fryer in just a couple minutes. I'm literally wiping the parchment paper with lettuce to get up all that seasoning. To finish the salad, I topped it with some blue cheese dressing. My husband loves it drenched. I had to finish up some work, so my husband grilled the steak. This is very high heat and it went directly over the flame. You get those nice grill marks when you put the steak at a 90-degree angle. Flip it every 3 to 4 minutes until the internal temp reads 125 for medium rare. Topped it with some butter, cilantro, and that's the story of steak night at my house. Find all my delicious grill recipes at sipbitego.com.